buy one thing.
Sige, manawag ko sa GC. Mo ko ito. Wala siya ba? Ito naman ni reflect ang
I decided to vlog this. I'm eating sushi. I was scrolling to Food Panda. And then guys, I didn't know nga everything kay it would all be like 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12 all in all. I was expecting like only like one box only. So yeah, but then I saw 2 boxes, like 2 boxes. What the fuck? How many did I order? I had 6 of these, and in here I have like three different kinds, 2 of each, and I already ate like 5 of these, 1 of each of these ones. Yeah, and I'm so freaking full. I'm like, I ate already 7, and I still got like 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Actually, when I opened up, I was like, wow, heaven, paradise, because I love my sushi. But then again, it was too many for me. But I'm still not sleeping. I'm still watching a series. So while I watch, I might munch on them a bit. siya mamaak?
Wala,
Ate,
sige.
hindi mamaak.
Dili.
Ha?
Dili.
Ate, tama.
What the fuck?
Mas mamaak pa ka na lang.
Madlog ko, timamsa siya.
Naku, chinilas pa na. Missing na sad.
Meet Fifu.